Gold and silver both have been trading sluggish with a modest bullish bias throughout this day. You can see gold failed to pass by so far above our resistance level and our buying points at 1967. At the same time, silver is struggling at $24 level. So now what to expect with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, this is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update definitely would have profited. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed by silver to watch till the end. First of all, look at the charts. On the hourly charts, you can find gold has created a base here at 1955.54. That was precisely the support levels, and since then we have seen a rise. Now, if you can see the movement, it is trying to peak out here, and a breakout should be a very strong one. Right now, it is willing to wait for a breakout, but still getting lot much of resistance here at 1965.67 level. And if you look at on the downside, the price is divergent from the 20 period moving average, which is right now situated at around 57-58 levels. This should be a good support, and it has got very good support till towards, see, my favorite 1957-54 levels are the zone where it is going to get the maximum support, and 67-72 is the maximum resistance for now, for today. You can see stochastic, this has come to overbought levels. The MACD is still trading in green, trading with little divergence on the hourly charts. RSI is almost near to overbought levels, and if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you'll find, see, a flat bottom here at 1955.54. Since then, increasingly bullish candles, and you can find out, see, one thing you should note, the body size is getting diminished here, but at the same time it is not dropping, and it is consistently trading in this bullish channel. I'll wait for it to break past 1967 levels and 72 levels. This zone it needs to pass by in order to sustain the bullish momentum. If it sustains above 1972, certainly you can expect that the next target is going to be till towards 1982 levels. We have to be watchful there. Also, if you look at the stochastic is overbought here on the 2-hour charts as well. Directional movement, MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI very near to the top, and on the 3-hour charts, one bullish candle, second bullish candle, third in making, getting lot much of resistances. Also, you can find out diminishing candle size, indicating that the bulls are tired as of now. But yes, I will wait for it to break past. See, 67.72 is the zone. It needs to be a break past by in order to sustain the bullish momentum. Now, if you look at the moving average, the exponential moving averages are trying to cross over here. See this, the crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a good bullish sign for gold here. We'll wait, and we'll wait for this also to cross over beyond the 100 period moving average. That should be the moment beyond which it will try to rise more. Now see, support here is seen, 2 bullish candle consolidation, and now again looking forward to a rise. Now if you look at, you will find, see, how strong is the resistance zone at 67.72. Multiple times it tried to attempt and breach past by those levels but failed to do so. At the same time, you can find out, now it is almost trading at the top of the channel, and hence only about 1967 you can initiate a buy entry, where you can expect 71.72 first target, and if it stays above 71.72, we may see it hitting 1982.85 also. Stochastic is seen rising back to overbought levels. MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also almost near to the top. And on the 4-hour charts, first thing you must see that 1960, which was the resistance earlier, now has become the support for gold. With that as support, it is trying to rise, and this is the third green candle. Possibly it can try to attempt and achieve this zone between 1967, 71, 72. This is the zone where it is going to get the maximum resistance. Also, yes, you can initiate a sell entry at 1960. However, one has to be watchful of 1957, 54 levels. Also, you can look at moving average willing to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. Stochastic consistently running overbought here, and MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI almost flat. Now coming to the daily. You see, on the daily charts, you can see the previous candle had a very long tail and a big green body there. Now today what it did, it is tried to take the support on the downside, and since then the candle is green, and anyways when there is a push on the previous candle, it always tries to attempt and achieve higher levels. Now first of all, the exponential moving averages are trading with divergence so far. Now has started to converge. You can see the 20 period moving average have started to converge a bit. Next is, you can see the 50 period moving average and the top of the trend line situated at around 1968. Now see this resistance, you can find out definitely there is a little resistance at around 1968, and hence 67 to 71, 72. Certainly this is the zone which we need to just watch, observe, and if it stays above this, we are going to look for gold at these levels, that is 1980 to 85. See, it has consolidated enough, willing for a breakout. The breakout is going to be sharp enough, and if not today, possibly next week, it may try to attempt and achieve these levels before looking forward to any retracement. That is my expectation. Now see, on the downside, support is intact at 1940 still. Moving averages, you can see stochastic started to look upwards. The moving averages have started to diverge. This is trading with a little bullish bias looking upwards here. RSI is also trading with little strength looking upwards. Considering the sell entry today, I will recommend is below 1960. You have to watch out for 1957-54 levels. Very good support till 1954 exist, and below 1954 only further bearishness can be expected. On the upside, you can buy here at 1968 levels. Above 1968, 71, 72 first target, and beyond 72 we may see it flying high. How far it can fly? It can go till towards 1982, 85 first target, and beyond that more bullishness can take it till towards 1991 through 1000 levels also, if not today, possibly by next week. Staying above 1982, 85 is something I will wait for it to break past by. More bullishness may prevail there. Hence, take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd mentorship batch starts on 1st of July. Register yourself from itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now look at silver on the hourly charts. You can find out multiple candles having long tails on the downside, and this time it is willing to break out. This is a good sign for silver. Also, the moving averages have crossed here. The 20 and 50 period, 20 and 100 period both have crossed over. The support is seen at 2385. Sell entries only if you see silver below 2380, that is for sure. It is trying to trade increasingly bullish. I will wait for 2410 to be breached. Beyond that, 2420 is the target. Remember, 2420, if it's taken, certainly you can say that silver is going to fly high. 2420, it needs to stay above. Then 2450, 40 levels should be definitely seen. Now, yes, the moving averages have crossed over. This is a good sign. The stochastic is over. This is where one has to remain watchful. The MACD is divergent here, looking upwards, and RSI is also started to look upwards. This is a bullish sign. Now, if you look at 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, couple of steps are created. See, the previous rise was from 2385 to 24. Now it is trying to rise from 24 to 2420 levels, 2415, 20. Possibly this is going to be maximum resistance for silver here. Once it stays above 2420, that is the point beyond which sky is the limit for silver. Hence, above 2410, in the morning update in the Asia session, we had discussed about a buy and trade 24. Now you can buy here at 2410 and expect it to rise for first target at 2420. Beyond that, more bullishness can be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards, and on the 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour charts, support here is seen, and with that as support, moving averages have crossed over. The 20 and 50 period crossing over here, 20 and 100 period already crossed over. Now looking upwards, indicating slight bullishness. Also, the flat bottom indicates that it has gathered enough space for it to rise. Now I'll wait for 2410, 2420 levels to be breached. Beyond that, only further bullishness can be confirmed. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI also started to look upwards, indicating slight bullishness. And on the 4 hour chart, you see 2410 levels are seen, which we had seen couple of days back. And if 2410 is breached, certainly 2420 is something I will wait for it to break past by. Till 2440, it has got very good resistance. Also, if you look at the movement on silver, what it has done here is, see, it has consolidated here. And after consolidating, we have seen a flag formation, and now it is trying to break out. Now this breakout can sustain further bullish momentum and possibly may try to hit 2450 also. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards and staying bullish here. Now on the daily chart. On the daily charts, just one point to note, that the previous candle had a very long tail, which means that the price is not willing to stay at lower levels, and that is where we have seen the pushback. Now after looking out, breaking past the resistance at 2380, now this is the consecutive or continuing the bullish momentum here. Now how far we can just ignore this candle here. This is mostly the stop loss eating exercise, and it is still trading in this channel. First of all, this is the long-term bearish channel. 2420 is the level it needs to break past by. Once 2420 is taken, certainly you can see that the longer the tail, the longer the body can be expected, which means 2440, 2460 levels cannot be denied if it stays above 2420 level. And hence you can stay long till the time it stays above 2380. Possibly we should not be, silver is not going to look backwards, and we may see it staying bullish here. We can expect 2420, 2440 levels. Hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and a sell entry can be taken below 2380 levels. Do not forget this fact. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.